friends, welcome to Josida. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to master your pen tool in Illustrator. If you're new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we post a new video. And that way, you won't miss out on any interesting content. Let's jump right into it. And you move to your workspace. While on your workspace, at any position on the workspace, you left click on your mouse and move a little bit to any position of your choice, but at least be within the workspace. Then you left click again and you draw it to a desired shape. You might want to go over this a few times so you master the pen tool. The Smart Guide. The Smart Guide is an inbuilt function that helps the designer deliver an accurate work. Apart from the ruler, this also helps in accuracy. It would help you as the designer making sure that all your lines are accurate. So I'll advise that this should be turned on at all times, so you wouldn't have a longer line or a shorter line as a mistake, except it's part of your design. The next exercise is going to be the zigzag exercise, where we are going to draw zigzag lines. Don't forget to go over this a few times after doing it here so you get the hang of the pen tool, so you'll be able to use it freely while drawing zigzag lines. Great work, guys. Moving to the next exercise, creating semicircles. When you're done with the pen tool, click enter so you wouldn't make a mess of things. Left click, move a little and left click again. Drag to desired shape. Move down again and left click to complete the semicircle. Next up, we are going to be creating some real shape with our pen tool. Let's go with the heart because it's going to help you master the curves using the pen tool. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this segment, but before I go, little tip about our next video. We are going to be using the pen tool. I'll be designing this Deadpool image. Wish to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Yo, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think about this video or where you're having challenges.